Hi, my hobby is cooking and baking, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook lemon meringue pie. This cake consists of 3 parts: bottom, lemon cream, and meringue. To prepare this pie, you need the following ingredients: cold butter, flour, eggs, 3 lemons, sugar, powdered sugar, potato flour, water, and salt. On the screen you can see a recipe. First we need to do a batter. We add flour, sugar, salt and butter and mix it together. I mix it with my hands. Then I add 1 yolk and 2 tablespoons of water. Now we mix it. Now I'm preparing a lemon cream. First, squeezed lemon juice. Here is my lemon juice. Now we add zest from 2 lemons. Now we put it in the pot. Now we put here water. Then we add sugar and 2 tablespoons of potato flour and heat it up. Now we are waiting for about 20 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, it's ready. Now I'm adding butter. Now I add eggs. This is my dough after 1 hour in the fridge. Now I'm gonna roll it. Now I put it in my form. My pie shell needs some burden and I put it here. Now I put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Now, after 15 minutes, I remove foil with peas and now I must put it for next 15 minutes. When pie shell is ready, we must make a meringue. First, we're adding egg whites and we are beating it. When it's fluffy, we need to add sugar and potato flour. And we mix it. Our pie shell is ready. Put card to pie shell. Now I am decorating our cake. Now it's ready and we must put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. My meringue lemon pie looks delicious. Możesz mówić.
Tastes great. Albo tastes great. It tastes wonderful.
It tastes wonderful. You're gonna find more recipes on my YouTube channel. Bye!